Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve your problem number 3 of exercise 1.5. Recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, that is pi is equal to c by d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Pi is a number whose exact value is not 22 by 7. In fact, pi has a value which is non-terminating and non-repeating. So pi is irrational while 22 by 7 is rational. Hence, there is no contradiction. There is no contradiction. We know that if you measure a length or if you measure a length by a scale or any other device, we obtain an approximate value. So it is no contradiction that pi is irrational. If we divide 22 by 7, then we get a non-terminating and a non-repeating number. So pi is irrational while 22 by 7 is irrational. Hence, there is no contradiction. Now, I am going to start. In previous class I had started polynomial chapter. So, I am solving question number 2. Question 2 is, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. We have to find the coefficient of x square in given expressions 2 plus x square plus x. Question number 1 has been solved. So I am going to solve question number 2. 2 plus x square plus x. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Here 1 is multiplied with x square. So the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. 2 minus x square plus x cube. In this expression, coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is equal to minus 1. 3 number pi by 2 x square plus 1. Coefficient of x square, is equal to pi by 2. Here pi by 2 is multiplied with x square, so the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square, and similarly we can solve question answer number 3. Answer 3. Answer 3. Give one example of a binomial of degree 35. Example of a binomial of degree 35. We know that if an expression has two terms, then it is called binomial. One term is called monomial. I have discussed before. So the example is x to the power 35 plus y is an example of binomial, and example of monomial be taken other symbol. You can take any symbol for x and y. So the example of monomial of degree 100 is equal to 5x to the power 100, and example of a binomial of degree 35 is equal to x to the power 35 plus y. Question number 4. 5x cube plus 4x square, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Degree of each of the following polynomial. Degree of polynomial 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x is equal to 3. Answer. Because here highest degree is 3. Highest degree of a polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. So in this expression, 3 is the highest degree. So degree of polynomial is equal to 3. 4 minus y square. Degree of polynomial 4 minus y square is equal to 2. Here highest degree is 2, so and you can solve answer 5. In question number 5, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. In the given expressions, we have to classify which is linear polynomial, quadratic and cubic polynomial. X square plus x, एक नंबर x square plus x, x square plus x, x square plus x is quadratic, quadratic polynomial. Because here degree of x is 2, so x square plus x is quadratic polynomial. Number 2, x y plus x minus x cubed, x minus x cubed is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, because here exponent of x is 3 and 3t is a linear polynomial. Because in this polynomial there is only one term, so it is a linear polynomial. So I hope that you can complete this exercise, and in next class you can ask problem. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you.